Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I will show you something very useful. I have just a simple question for you. And this is a question your customer might ask you. The customer is very interested in traveling. They want to go to a country. And when they're not sure if they need a visa, yes or no. And they might ask you, they want to go to Brazil. Do we need a visa for Brazil? Let's check that out. We can check that straight away. Just click here on tools and you'll go to all the tools in CouponBet that we have so far. More tools are coming. And in here you can search almost everything what you need. And if you just scroll down here, you can see here, visa info. Right now we only have for Philippine passport holders. Alright, so in here, we can put in the country. We can search for here. If you will search here, you can click here and just search. Do we need visa, yes or no? Or just type it in here. We can type in, well, what is the country? Brazil? And there you are. So if I type Brazil, you can see Brazil is visa free. Very easy. Your customer, you can inform your customer straight away for this. Simple and easy. And this makes it all very easy for you to search information. CouponBet is really designed to help you as a travel agency and your travel agents to simplify everything in the process and to help customers more. Why should you spend your time a lot in searching instead of helping your customer, serving your customer, helping them picking the right package, helping them to select the right hotel and selling them tour packages and destinations? That is a travel agency. Travel agency should not focus too much time on everything that has nothing really to do with sales. Since everything else, like searching for this, is important, but if it's already in here, you save some time, and that time you will invest in helping your customer more. So more attention to your customer and lesser attention to searching on any destination on Google or whatever you're using to search the information. This just saves time to give you more better service as a travel agency. So this is really with CouponBet, and with CouponBet you can do far more, but this is one of the examples that you can do with CouponBet. So if you're interested in this, well, you can use this site right away by just registering. Just go to www.couponbet.com, or you can even skip the www. It will automatically see this, and this is a secured site. In here, you just click here on sign up now. You put in your information. You make sure you put in your real email address. You will get an email. And once you get the email, open the email, check your spam inbox in case you didn't receive any email, because you will get an email instantly the moment you sign up, the moment you register. You have to click that email, and once you click that, you're ready to go. And this is really, really simple. No need to wait days, hours, weeks. Instant, everything is instant, simple to use. And this is how you can do it. Just register, go to couponbet.com and start to register your travel agency and make your travel agency organize. Because CouponBet is the travel agency organizer.